Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fusion tutorial. In today's video, we're going to go over how to install a script in Fusion, and I'm going to show you one that I created that you can buy from my Etsy shop. So in this, I've got two models here. So I've got this workbench model, it's parametric. You can change all these things about it. I also have a bunch of different cabinets on my Etsy shop. This one I happen to make configurable, so I can just go ahead and change any size and it'll update, common sizes anyways. And if you go into the parameters, there's tons of stuff you can change about it as well. So let's say you have these models and you need a cut list. Well, I made one and I'm going to show you guys how to install it and how it works today. So to install a script, or at least to install my script, you go to Utilities, and then you're going to click on this Add-ins button, and you're going to hit the plus sign. And this should be pretty similar on Macs. I'm on a Windows right now. So you hit plus, and you create script or add-in. So we're doing a script, so I'm going to have this be called Cut List Generator. And you can keep everything else the same, Python, scripts, and it goes to the correct folder, and then just hit create. Now you'll have to get out of this, I believe. Oh, nope, it already popped up right here. Sometimes you might have to close this and then get back into it. So then you'll see it right here once you create it. And all you have to do is right click on it and open file location. And you can see it has a bunch of stuff in this folder. And specifically, we want the Python script here. So I'm going to keep this open. I'm going to close out of this and close out of Fusion. And I have my script saved on the desktop and I have it named the exact same thing. So I'm just going to drag this in here and replace the file. So now I just replace that generic Python script with my script and then close out. And now when I get back into Fusion, if it doesn't work right away, you might have to restart Fusion, but it should work right away. All you have to do now is go up to add-ins. You're going to hit play on your cut list generator, and you'll get a little summary right here, and it'll ask you if you want to export the cut list. You can hit yes, and I'll tell you what happens if I hit no a little bit later. So you hit yes, and this is a little confusing, but it's the only way I could get it to work how I wanted it to work. But yes equals a CSV file only, no equals an HTML only, and then if you hit cancel, it does both of them. So I'm just going to hit yes for now for the CSV file. And I'm going to hit cancel because I already have these saved right here. So I have my CSV and my HTML. If you may have a little trouble here, if it shows showing all files, you may just have to type in your cabinet.html and then it'll save as both files. But if you leave out this file extension, you might get an error. So just be aware of that. So I'm just going to hit cancel because I already have my two files here. Now, if you hit no on that summary page, where you can find it is under File, View, and you want to make sure your Show Text Commands. Now, I already have mine open, so it's way down here at the bottom. I can hit plus, and it opens up right here. So cut list, it gives you all the names of your bodies, the metric dimensions and the imperial dimensions. And then if you scroll down even further, it actually has it broken down into sizes. So I need two pieces at this size and so on. Okay, let's go to those files that we created. So I'm going to minimize Fusion, and here they are. I do not have Excel, so I'm just going to open it in Excel. I usually use Google Spreadsheet. Do I already have this open? Oh, I do. So there's my Google Spreadsheet, that CSV file. So you can see it kind of listed in here nice and neat. But really, the real winner of the day, I think, is the HTML file. You can double click this and it'll open up in a browser. And it has everything labeled nice and neat with your dimensions in metric and imperial. And if you scroll down, it has the quantity summary too. So you know you need two pieces at these measurements. And then you can, of course, print and save this as well. All right, so that is my cut list generator. Again, it's on my Etsy shop, which I will link in the description. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.